The Heavy Duty Box is the newest diagnostic scan tool from Lodge. It comes with a 10-inch Lenovo tablet and is easy to use. This allows you to diagnose over 75 truck makes. Plug it into your truck and it will give you step-by-step instructions. The HD module can be purchased separately to work alongside the Euro Tab 2 and the AusScan 3. The HD box is Bluetooth and wireless. It comes with an extensive heavy-duty vehicle software coverage. This user-friendly product comes with 16 connectors with accurate testing data. The HD module connects via Bluetooth to an AusScan 3 or Euro Tab 2. It's a simple process, easy to use, and after a few applications you'll be diagnosing in your sleep. The Launch HD box is perfect for every workshop for heavy